Mga kapatid, kung tayo, yaong mga born again, we must do the work of God. And how can we do the work of God? By believing one who is sent by God. Not just believing, sapagat siya ay modern ang pangalan, spaceship. Kundi let us believe the true Christ, Jesus, the Son of Mary in the flesh. And His second name is Christ, Jesus Christ. Kaya sila ang kukunin ng Panginoon at kami nagtitiwala na habang kayo nakakarinig ng aming iniaaral na mabuting balita at mga daan ng Diyos, kayo'y nakakasiguro na pagdating ni Kristo, kayo'y hindi mapapahiya. You can stand with all your faith and you'll never be ashamed. Yun ang pangako ng Diyos.